Hey, I'm Alex, and thank you for joining me in this meditation. So if you're not already, get settled, find a nice comfortable spot, you can close your eyes, and let's get started. So I want us to take a few deep inhales, deep breath in, and out. Deep breath in, and out. Deep breath in, and out. One more deep breath in, and out. Very good. Now continue to focus on your breath at your own pace. As you do this, we're just getting settled in here. But as you do this, notice what you notice. What do you feel in your body? Do you feel tired or achy? Do you hear sounds in the background? Are thoughts coming up already? Everything is allowed to be here. It doesn't really matter what we notice. What's more important is that we just simply notice what is here, without judgment. If there's a sensation or something you're noticing that you want to pay attention to that is not the breath, that's okay. Focus on that. When your mind inevitably gets distracted by thoughts, things like, am I doing this right? Or what am I going to have for dinner later on? Whatever thoughts that come up, notice them too. They're allowed to be here. All right, a couple more beats here before we transition to a different exercise. All right, I would like you to think about a time where you wanted something that you really wanted to get, whether that was a new car or a a video game, a computer, go on that vacation, get a new house, that promotion at work, go to the new college, or want a new relationship, whatever it is. Think of something in the recent past that you really wanted and that you did get. And I want you to think about the build-up to getting that thing, whatever it was. Were you thinking about it a lot? Were you anticipating it? Were you excited? What thoughts and emotions came with leading up to getting whatever it was? Okay, so now I want you to think about what it was like when you did get it. That feeling of elation, that joy, that satisfaction of, oh, I finally reached my goal or got that thing, whatever it is. And the pleasure that came along with getting it, with making it. All right, so then now, that same thing, vacation, car, house, promotion, computer, video game, whatever it was, how do you feel about it now? Do you feel the same as you did leading up to it? And when you got it? Maybe over time, the feelings diminished, as they often do. All right, now think of something that you're looking forward to or wanting now, something you haven't gotten yet. And the feelings and emotions, thoughts that you've been thinking to that thing. Okay. You can open your eyes if they were closed. The reason why I had us do this exercise and thinking about something that we wanted in the past and then we got, and then when you think about it now, you're like, yeah, it was good. You may have been a lot more excited leading up to it, and then when you actually got it, you were elated, and as time went on, it became more normal. And this is the natural cycle of desire and actually getting it. We often think that once I get this thing, once I have this goal and I'm going towards it, once I have it, I will make it, I'll be happy, everything will be all right with the world. But we can get caught in this cycle where when we do get it, the elation wears off, and then when we think, that wasn't it. let me get something else. And then we become in this loop of constantly chasing, getting, feeling like maybe that's not it, and then we keep going, and we just keep doing this cycle and pattern over and over. And while there's a lot of evolutionary truth to this, and we won't get into the workings of dopamine and motivation, it is important to become aware of these patterns, especially in modern times where we are constantly exposed to advertisements and social media and seeing people have things that we want in the consumerist culture. And it's just important to be aware of this cycle so that we don't get into these habits of thinking that the next thing will make us more fulfilled than we are now. Because, like we've said, and we found out together through that exercise, that everything, the satisfaction of everything, fades in time. And it's until you become satisfied with where you are now, until you become satisfied with where you are right now in this moment. If you don't do that, then you'll never be satisfied. Now that doesn't mean we don't go after the things that we want, but we just keep in mind that as we do, that next thing we do achieve or get is not going to make us wholly fulfilled forever, right? So, thank you for joining me on this meditation. If you liked it, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.